Hello, Burke Baird teachers. This is Miss Hernanes, your Burke librarian. Today I'm going to show you how to access the library catalog using your NISD portal. All right, so first things first is you log into your NISD portal. Once you are logged into your NISD portal, make sure you use your credentials from the district. This is going to be the first page that you guys see. You're going to scroll all the way down until you see the Library Catalog Follett Destiny Burke ES. Once you are there, you're going to go ahead and click on that. This is the page that it's going to take you. Now, as you can see, I am already logged in. Let me go ahead and log out really quick so I can show you. When you first log in, it's going to take you to this home page. Again, always make sure you're logged in as the teacher. Okay, so click on the login. You guys are not going to have a Follett account, so you're going to go ahead and use the district. So once you click on that blue link, it's going to use your district credentials and it's going to authenticate your account. And once you are authenticated, it's going to bring you back to the Destiny homepage. Okay, now as you can see here, I am logged in as the teacher because it has my name on the top right. Now this is just the homepage. Very quickly, I'm going to quickly go over it so I can go back into showing you how to use the catalog. Here you're going to see some news, some learning links, some great resources you guys can use. Tumble Books. I know the kids love using Tumble Books. Sora is a great resource that you guys can search and share with your parents, so the kids have access to having books electronically at home. Especially right now during the summer, it's a great resource to have. Story Online is another great online website that there are different celebrities and authors that do read-alouds for kids. Here are some ebooks. These you have access to as well. Just make sure you click on the open so it can open up the book. You can kind of scroll through using the little arrows on the left and on the right side, or you can also just click on see all and it'll bring them all on one page. You guys also have access to interactive ebooks, audiobooks, and make it a little bit easier. You can also search by different topics, some graphic novels, fantasy, humor, scary stories, mystery, just different genres to kind of help you guys out. You keep scrolling down. You will see some books that I recently added to our collection. Some great books that I just put in there, so make sure you check it out. Some popular titles and some Lightbox. Okay, now I have found that most teachers find this a little bit hard to navigate and kind of if you're looking for a specific book in our library, this is always kind of not the best way to go, but this I do recommend if you're going to be using the online resources, the electronic stuff. I definitely recommend you guys to do that. But if you're trying to search just for a specific book in our library, you are going to go ahead and go onto the left corner of the page, and you're going to see like a little icon right here that looks like a page with some writing. Okay, you're going to scroll down to where it says Destiny Back Office. Okay, so click on that. It's going to take you to another page. This is the page that you will see in the library. So when the kids come in, if they want to do a search, this is the page that they're going to be using most of the time. It's just easier for the kids to search, and as well our teachers. So as a teacher, let's just say that you are going to start learning about sunflowers. So if you want to just do a simple search, sunflower, you can click on the keyword. Click on the keyword because you're just doing a keyword search. It is going to pull up any books that have the word sunflower in them. Now, as you can see, you have 125 books. This is just showing you 1 out of 25. So keep scrolling down. And as you can see, you have more pages down here to scroll through. Now, let's go back to the first book. So, as you can see, you will see a cover image, picture of the book. You will have some more information about the book, the call number, the author, the year it was published, your reading level on the left side. That's just the details about the book. Now, when you go home to the right side, it will show you if it is available or not, or how many copies are available. Let's just say we're going to do a new unit on the life cycle of sunflowers. So maybe kind of keep scrolling down. Maybe you'll find one that has the life cycle of a sunflower. Oh, here's one. So when you want to hold this book, you're going to go ahead and click on the title. So click on the title. It's going to open up this page right here. Again, giving you more information about the book, some the publication information and all of that good stuff. Now, if you want to hold this book, all you have to do, you can do two things. You can do it yourself. You can come into the library. Here's the call number that you're going to need when you are searching for it. Okay. Or if you want me to do it, which I would love to help you guys out in any way I can, you're going to go ahead and go over to the right side where it says hold it. When you click on that, it's going to give you two options. When do you need this book? As soon as possible, or if you're going to do this, later on during the unit, you want it for a little bit later in the month, go ahead and reserve for a specific date. As for now, we're going to just do as soon as possible. Click save. When you click save, it's going to give me a notification on my end saying, hey, Ms. Hernandez has this book. She wants this book on hold, and I will give you guys this copy as soon as I can once I get to it, and I will make sure to deliver it to you guys so you guys have this book. Now, that is just doing the keyword search. Okay, what if you know a book by the title? Let's see. If you take A Mouse to School, that's the book that I really want. Okay, you can also do that and click title, search, and boom, it'll take you straight only specifically to that title. Now, as you can see here, there are three options. Why three? Well, one's in English, one's in two of them are in Spanish. The Spanish one will have the call number SP in front of it. Okay, so same concept. You want this book, click on the title. Here's the information. Again, if you're going to come in the library and do it yourself, you guys are more than welcome to come and explore the library. You guys can write down the call number, or if you want me to do it, just go ahead and click hold it. Same thing. All right. Now, if there's any other questions that you guys have about how to access and how to use the library catalog, please let me know. You guys can email me. You can come by the library really quick and we can chat for a few minutes. I can walk you guys through it. If there's anything else you guys need, please let me know. I would be more than happy to help you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.